Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. Here, click on Create New Account option. Then tap on Get Started button. Here, you'll have to enter your first name and surname in the given boxes respectively. Then tap on Next button. Now select your date of birth. Then tap on Set button. Click on the Next button. Now select your gender. Again tap on Next button. Here you'll have to enter your mobile number, or if you want to enter your email address, then click on Sign up with email address button. Then tap on Next button. Here you'll have to create a password that has at least 6 letters or numbers. Click on the Next button. Now if you want your device to remember your login details and directly take you to your account the next time you try to log in, then tap on Save option, otherwise tap on Not Now option. Here you'll have to tap on I agree button in order to agree Facebook's terms and policies. Here you'll have to enter the confirmation code that is sent to your email, and if you did not receive one, then tap on I didn't receive the code option. Now tap on Next button. Here you can add a picture or skip it. And that is how you can create a Facebook account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.